Hi everybody, this is day 39. I'm so excited, almost done. And I've been working on something for tomorrow specific, so I hope you enjoy it. But today I just wanted to kind of sum up with the top tips that I have about juice fasting. So the first one would be to prepare your body. I took about 40 days, I think, before I did the juice fast to eat all raw. And that helped a lot to kind of just prepare the way. And also though, because I was a little bit underweight, I tried to beef up the calories at the end, eating a lot of fats. And I think that's why for the first 4 days or so, I had like blood sugar ups and downs because there's just too much fat in the system. So I'd probably lower the fats as you prepare for your juice fast. The other thing would be to clear your schedule. I had such a busy June. That's when I did the juice fast, and I think it would have been a lot better. Although it's nice to be busy, so you don't think about it a whole lot, but it's tough to do this and be flying around the country and going on trips and seeing relatives and stuff like that. So if you can clear your schedule, that'd be easier. I would say definitely discuss your plan with your family and get them kind of familiar with what you want to do, and also make a meal plan for them so that you don't have to think too much about what you're going to juice and what you're going to feed your family. And ask them in what ways that they might like to support you. And then try not to define all your future goals and dreams and realize all your aspirations and fix all your problems while you're juice fasting. I definitely got caught up in this quite often because your mind is so alert and you're so creative and you want to just create all these great plans, which is fun, but it's a lot if your body and your brain is dealing with detoxing and also to add all that pressure. Also, take daily time to relax and to pray. This is such a spiritual journey too. And so taking time for your emotional and your spiritual well-being by connecting with God is just such a key to this. Being thankful. So when you're feeling down, you're having those down days, just try to let gratitude kind of have a little space in you and nourish that. It helps so much with the attitude. And trust the system and trust your body. When you're wondering, oh my goodness, what's going on? This is like feeling bad. Just trust your body's intuition that it knows how to heal and it is able to do that. And you're doing the right thing for your body. So the last thing is get support. This would have been so hard to do without a community of people that have already been through it or going through it or will go through it in an online group. And I just cannot recommend that enough. If you don't have people in your immediate life that are excited about this for you, there are people out there. And if you don't and you want to know more about how to get involved in a loving, supporting community like that, please reach out to me. I'll put my email in the description. Please reach out to me and I will help you with that. Also in the description below is a link to my success for your juice fast recipes. It is my free gift to you that I've learned along the way, and I'm excited to share that with everyone. So thank you so much. And really quick, the verse this morning came from 2 Chronicles, and it says, 2 Chronicles 3, 9, and 10. I am so sorry, it's not Chronicles. It's Colossians 3, 9, and 10. You have put off the old self with its practices and put on the new self, which is being renewed in knowledge after the image of the Creator. And that is certainly true. When you go through something fast, you have put off the old nature, you've put off all your habits, and you are just being renewed. So blessings on all of you, and I can't wait to show you what I've been working on tomorrow. Take care.